Hey everyone, my name is Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious zucchini bread, and I am using the recipe in one of my newest cooked breads that I purchased, which is Magnolia Table by Joanna Gaines Volume 2. And you guys, this zucchini bread is absolutely amazing. It's savory, but it has a little sweetness because it has a little bit of sugar and cinnamon, and it's actually really easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prep our zucchini, and you need about 3 cups worth of zucchini. And so I am just giving them a rough chop. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be putting it in a food processor, so just roughly chop it. Alright, and so once we got our zucchini all chopped, now it's time to go to the food processor, and we are just going to fill this up. And depending on the size of your food processor, you may have to do a couple batches. Like me, I did about 2 to 3 batches. And so you're just going to fill that up and pop the lid on it and just give it a good pulse until you get like nice fine shreds. Alright, and once that's done, you are going to get a clean kitchen towel and just pour your zucchini on top of it. And once you've done all of your zucchini, you're going to try and squeeze out any excess liquid. See how much liquid this zucchini has, and so you want to try and get rid of as much of that liquid as possible. Alright, and so now in a medium-sized bowl, we are going to take 1 1/4 cup of oil with 2 cups of sugar, with 4 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and just give that a good mix till nice, well, and blended together. And this is our liquid portion of our batter. Alright, and so this is what it looks like. It looks really good. So now we're just going to set that to the side and get started on our dry ingredients. Okay, and so in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and now we have some cinnamon, some baking powder, some baking soda, and some salt, and just pour all of that into your flour. And just give that a good mix as well, so nice, well incorporated together. Okay, so we got our dry ingredients, we got our wet ingredients, and now we're going to slowly add our wet into our dry. And you want to do this in portions just so it'll be easier to mix. And so just slowly add that together, and this is my second portion. And just give that a good mix. Alright, and so now we're going to add our zucchini. And then you want to add about 1 cup worth of nuts. The original recipe called for walnuts, but I'm just using pecans. So you can use whichever nuts is to your fancy. And just give that a good mix. Alright, and this is our zucchini batter. It looks really good, you guys. Alright, and so now I'm just taking a bread loaf pan that I sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray, and I lined with some parchment paper, and I put some excess on the side just so it'll be easier to take the loaf out of the tin once it's done cooling. And so I'm just going to pour the batter into the loaf pan, and you are going to have a little bit of leftover batter, and if you do, I just made some zucchini muffins. Okay, so you want to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. Okay, and so this is our zucchini bread. It looks absolutely amazing, and I let it cool down completely. And now I'm just going to pop it out of our tin, and with that excess parchment paper on the side, it was really easy to take out. So now we're just going to take it off and just start making our slices of bread here. And there you have it, some delicious zucchini bread. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, as always, enjoyed making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.